Hello there everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, it is now the second week in the first month of this year, and I know that there's a lot of people that has made their plans, made their New Year's resolution, and I know that you guys, there's some of you out there that just want to go through the year accomplishing your resolution, accomplish everything that you've always planned to do, because years and years go by and we make these New Year's resolutions and we just don't reach our goals. We don't stick to it, or we just give up halfway through. So in this video, I want to give you guys 5 tips of how you can maintain that goal, how you can maintain that mindset, and how you can keep going without giving up. And as much as I'm telling you guys this, I'm also telling myself as well, because this is something that I've been telling myself. This is something that I've been teaching myself, and I want to share these tips with you guys for you to have a wonderful year ahead of you. If you are interested in hearing and listening to these tips, please stay tuned and watch this video until the end. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. My name is Trish Wilson, and I do hair, beauty, and I do videos like this from time to time for you guys. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is for you to set your mind on the goal that you want to achieve, whether that may be your exercising routine, or it could be your diet, it could be a financial goal, it could be anything like that. But to be able to achieve a goal, you have to be able to set your mind to what goal is it that you want to achieve. Because what good is it to take each day as it comes without making plans, we don't know if we're going to see the next day. We don't know if we're going to see tomorrow. But at the end of the day, we are here and we still have to make plans and goals and set our goals to where we want to go in life, because it's just pointless. You're just living day to day, just going about your business, don't care, don't try. But setting your mind to the goal that you want is the number one most important thing. And you got to ask yourself as well, why do I want this goal? What's the purpose? What's the reason why I want to achieve this goal? And once you have everything envisioned in your mind, you can write things down on a piece of paper, write it down in your journal, write it down in your diary, whatever you feel comfortable writing down your goals. And you just set your mind, have a clear vision, and you have to see yourself already achieving what it is you have put in your mind. So that's the number one tip I want to give you guys. So the second tip I wanted to give you guys is to make sure that you set a schedule. So we have obviously 12 months in the year. You need to set yourself, okay, say we're in January now. Say to yourself, if it's a weight loss goal, what is achievable for myself? What is practical? And you have to look at your lifestyle. You got to think practical. You can't be like, oh, I work 5 days a week, but I need to go to the gym 5 times a week. If that's possible for you, you do that. But if it's not possible for you, set a realistic goal for yourself. So like, say I need to go to the gym 2 times a week, and I need to spend at least 2 hours at the gym doing whatever it is you need to work on, whether that be cardio, whether that be toning, whatever it is. You need to set yourself a realistic goal every single week or every single month. So if you have a weight loss goal, let's say to yourself that by June, I need to have lost 1 stone, or I don't know, 20 pounds or 10 pounds. But you have to be realistic with yourself. And if your goal is also financial, it same goes for that. Set a realistic goal and set what it is that you need to do and what it is that you need to start planning to do, or what it is that you need to start changing. What were you doing last year that you don't want to take into 2023? And you just apply that into your life. So if it's a financial goal, just make sure to say by June, which is halfway through the year, by June 2023, I want to be making X amount, da 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 da. So once you've set that in your mind and you set that schedule, then you can then go into what you're doing now, and whether what you're doing now is going to enable that goal to come to pass, or you need to change or add another source of income, or what it is you really passionately want to do. Implement that into your day-to-day life. Start making action. And guys, the number one thing that you need to do is to do it. Things will not come to you if you don't go for it. if you keep procrastinating, if you keep waiting on things to happen for you, it is just not going to happen. So you just have to do it. You have to try and make those steps for yourself, or else nobody else will do it for you. Okay, so tip number 3, I wanted to say, if your goal is a financial goal, you need to make sure that you set a budget on a monthly basis. You know your expenses, you know how much your outgoings, and you know what is your incoming. So if you need to set up an Excel, if you need to go on the computer and set up all your budget, all your outgoings, and look at your incoming, and then, you know, if you can plan all that, set it all up, then you can stick to that budget. And it's important to stick to your budget, because if you keep spending wildly, keep doing what, you will never achieve your goal. You will never achieve your goal if you keep spending wild, if you keep buying things that are not necessary, doing what is not necessary. You will be in the same position that you were in 2022, in 2023, and then going into 2024. Nothing will change, and you will just be stuck. But you have to be strict with yourself and tell yourself that I have a budget and I need to stick to that budget. Once in a while, if you have the means, by means necessary, go and buy yourself these luxury things. But you have to think, are these luxury things going to allow me to reach my goal? Because at the end of the day, those luxury things, you just have it on your back. It is not going to make much of a difference in your life. It's not going to make much of a difference. You have to do those things when it is necessary. When it is necessary, you do those things. When you have reached and accomplished what you need to accomplish, then those things are necessary. Like for me, example, I still go to Primark. Yes, every now and then I will buy good quality stuff, like from ASOS. I'll buy good quality stuff because I believe in getting stuff that can last a long time, rather than buying multiple things and then you have to keep buying and keep buying and keep buying, because they just don't last. So set yourself a budget that is within your means, and then carry that budget until you have accomplished and got to where you want to be financially. And also, when it comes to weight gain or weight loss, control yourself. Just control yourself. Have a balanced diet. I don't believe in just eating salad every day. You know how your body will react to certain foods. Like for me, example, sugar. Sugar is my problem. Sugar is my problem. And I can put on so much weight if my activity, like if I'm not as active, but I'm less active and eating a lot of sugar, that's when I put a lot of weight on. So you know your body, study your body, and know what it is that you eat a lot that puts that weight on, and you just cut back, cut down. It's all about mind over matter. When your mind is strong and ready, when your mind is ready, everything else follow. Your mind have to be strong and ready for the battle. And once you can accomplish anything. Once your mind has accomplished it, you can accomplish anything you want. So guys, make a budget, write everything down, do it on an Excel, do it on your PC, do it on your tablet, do it on your diary, whatever it is. Set yourself a budget and stick within your means. Don't try to show off for your friends, don't try to show off for your family, and then at the end of the day, you're broke pocket. My tip number 4 is to save. Save. Now, I know a lot of people say it's better to invest than to save and have your money sitting there in the bank. But when you have a goal for something, whether that be achieving a car, achieving a house, you need to save. You need to save. And when you put your money in that savings account, don't touch it. Don't touch that money. Once you put that money away, set your mind on that goal. Set your mind to say, I've put this money here for a purpose and for a reason, and I'm going to leave it there. If there's a life or death situation where you have to use a little bit of the money, then okay. But if it's just simple things that you keep going back and using the savings, you will never get anywhere. You will never save it. And I'm teaching myself this as well. It could be a new car. You want a new car. How are you going to get that new car? Put yourself in debt by getting a credit, or save your money and buy your car cash. For me, I would save my money and buy a second-hand car. I wouldn't get a brand new car. I would get a brand new car if I had the money. And to be honest, I'd rather to save and buy a second-hand used car than to buy a brand new car. If you have the means to buy a brand new car, then by means necessary, go ahead. Yeah, save guys, save. My last tip for you guys, I wanted to say that you need to set yourself a routine. So a routine is really important, especially if you have a weight loss that you want to achieve. So you need to set yourself a routine that works for you, works for your lifestyle. And once you get into that routine, it becomes like second nature for you. And when it comes like second nature, it becomes easy. So always set yourself a routine, guys, and stick to it. No matter what, stick to it. And also, if it's a financial goal that you want to achieve, set yourself a routine to say, okay, every Friday or every Monday or every Tuesday, whichever day that fits you, I'm going to put away £50, or I'm going to put away a certain percentage of my wages every month, and that has to be done no matter what. So if you stick to that routine and you say that that routine is working, oh God, you are going to achieve your goal so easy, with ease. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I've learned a lot for myself, and I wanted to give you guys these tips, and these are what I'm going to be doing myself. So I hope that you can take something from this video. I just wish you all a prosperous and a wonderful new year 2023. I wish you all health. And above all, health over wealth, more than anything, because if you're not healthy, you're not able to do anything. Health over wealth, guys. Take care of yourself, take care of your mindset, set your mind straight. No matter where you see this world going, in your own life, you can make a difference. In your own way, you can make a difference. So guys, keep your mind set on your goals, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like button also, and comment in the box below if you have taken something from this, something new, and if I've helped you in any way. Thank you once again, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.